Hello, good morning everyone. Can you hear me? If you're hearing my voice, just type it out so I could able to easily can tell now. Like, good morning all. So I think you can able to see my screen, right? So we can start today. So what we are going to observe the market analysis on today. So this live is especially for market profile users. So market profile, whoever is working on it. So for them actually it will be little useful informations I can able to provide through my analysis. So what I am doing right now. So this is a quantable software so which we are using for the market analysis. So we have another 5 minutes. I think market is open little gap down, maybe 37 points or something. So if we go to NSE website, even NSE website would able to show all the information. So where is the gap down opening or gap up opening? So today's gap down opening 37 points from Nifty. I can say it's a flat opening actually. So it's opened exactly on the POC. It's going to open on exactly in the POC. So that is what just we are seeing now. So and yes, of course, we will start from our analysis now. Always, you know that we will start our analysis from monthly. So monthly, what we are doing, and then weekly, the market what is doing. So everything we will just analyze, and then we will get to know one step ahead from the people who are trading. So that's we are doing it actually. So as I mentioned you before, so what is doing here? Exactly, I can show you that. Just a minute, I'll take a brush so then I can easily highlight it. See this? See this one, and this one, and this also. See, I told you this is a one time frame is happening. It's not cross the below, it's not cross the above also. So here, what is the informations which we are finding here? The compression is happening here. Complete compression is happening here. So that is what here it is happening. So exactly the informations which is we are getting it, the market is in bullish condition, but it's not crossing the high of this 24,295, 24,285. So this area exactly 24,300 we can able to say. So this area, and I think so this is a stop loss hunt. I feel that this is stop loss hunt. So 24,300 is our like kind of next preference level. If in case if it is cross this level, it will reach absolutely to this level and maybe to reach here as well. So that is what the maybe the next week or this week plan. So today is a day one, for the Nifty options. So monthly I'm going to write down its balancing. So market is balancing condition now, and I can see some nuances that which is like kind of a bullish. So in bracket I will just write it down, bullish. And then if you come to the weekly, so weekly what nuances which we are going to get actually from the market, which is that you see here like same levels. How much compression has been happened last 2 days you can see. Then it has been given a outside move, but again it will be the same. So here also I can say, see this, it's completely moving upside. So what it says that in market the bullish people are there, but they couldn't able to break this level. So for that actually we need additional kind of a support to break this level to reach here or reach somewhere here. So that is what we are understanding from the market. If it breaks this line, if it is breaks this, definitely it will be touching to these areas here. Of course, it's opened gap down, and it's broken this line as well. Let's watch this area in order flow, and we will let us know. So in weekly also, I'm just writing balancing market. It, it's just supporting to the current market. And daily, the POC has been shifted, but many times the market has ended on this location, exactly on 24,179, this area. So let's wait and watch. The market has been broken this line, and then the value area high. It's absolutely near, so it can able to push to upside and come back again. The failed action has been broken now, and these are the stop loss, not a big orders, I mean to say. And 30 minutes reference also, we can see where it is. 30 minutes references, anything we have. I told you yesterday, this POC looks very strong. In 30 minutes it will get break. So today it's got broken exactly in this location. See, it's broken here. So any other POCs are here, let we can check. So I don't feel this one also, because from here the market has been returned. So this location is going to be a big part of it. Let's see so what's going to happen in the live market, and then we will review now the OA chart. So OA chart you can see clearly here. OA changes everything you will get now. The dominance is there. The seller dominance is clearly, it shows it is there. They are building up in 150. I think yesterday I have mentioned you, right? If any people wanted to take it upside, or they are planning to take it up, they wanted to hold the levels. Before holding the round of number, they will hold the 150 levels. So that is what happened today. It's almost, you can see that put almost to 2.43 crores has happened. And if any put moment, it will be there in 24,200, it's rising it, then it will be it will be like going like anything in upside. So that is what is going to happen. But we need to check these levels, and these levels twos are very important, because yesterday 250 and 200 has played very well role. And even if you come to open interest, like intraday changes, we can see this is overall market intraday changes. This is very important, because the call options is almost 6 crore and put options is almost 5.44 crores. This is only for intraday. What I said, why change, what has been changed today. But here is the complete market. You can see this one 24,200. It's a solid information is here. And then 24,100 is increasing. See, 24,100 call also increasing. 24,000 also put. The put both sides are increasing. Let's wait for some time, because 24,100 call and put both are fighting well together, and we need to see some development in 24,050 and 24,000. So then only we our levels, like I'll just show you the market profile levels, so where we are expecting to trade today. So this has been broken, the ledge, and then this is our upside target. We can able to keep it up, and downside where we can able to play our targets. So that is what now we wanted to look. What is the poor low is here. So this is poor low. Poor low already it has been broken these levels. So this is poor low. It has come already the market that levels. And then like you can see here the developments where it has happened. Exactly the last minute spike has been happened in this location. And then like here also the market has come and stopped this level. And what it is, can you see one thing here? Actually the many days back the market has went up and came down. The failed action downside levels is there. So this area, and then I have mentioned many days back that, see this. So here actually this area has to fill. This area has to fill. This area also has to fill, and this area has to fill. So this is what exactly is going to happen if in case the market is in down directions, and then like all the areas if you are seeing. So here we can see some balance here. So this area, I can show you this area 23,975 to 23,838. So as I mentioned earlier, 24,000 OA was very strong in put side. So there, if development is there, it will stay strong in that location. So that is what my view today. So tomorrow we will start little early, so we could able to discuss those things on early, and then we can able to concentrate on the markets. And today actually the sellers, I don't know, sellers are strong because here nothing sellers are there. Here also nothing sellers are there. Either they are getting trapped or we'll wait for some time. We are not into any kind of trade as of now. So whatever the suggestions, whatever the things which we are seeing here now, this is just on an educational purpose which I'm providing, and this is my view completely. And based on this, I'm going to trade. If anything you wanted to trade, you can take your advice with your financial advisor. So I know this was a big zone, but this big zone actually, how it is, like here I can see some balance, but this area have some missing portions. So this can be filled also. So that is what I feel. We will trade relaxedly because we don't have any references in downside, because this downside references I could able to see only this location and this location, these two locations, because these locations I think so already it's came. This locations it's not come, but I think this locations, this is poor high, and then already it is cleared also. So we will wait for some time because here some low volumes are there. And then I want to show you another one thing, that like compressed profile. The compressed profile, how it is working actually. The compressed profile mean in the sense like last week Tuesday the 14th, our strike has been developed, and I think not 14th, 15th, Wednesday. Wednesday has been developed until Tuesday. It was the expiry date. So what we need to do, we will compress the profile. So compressed profile, where it is going to help us. So compressed profile, it will show the clear path of last week. So where is the value area low and where is the value area high, and market where it is getting trading now. So this trading is happened last week, value area low below. So that means the price is lower than the last week. So all the buyers, what we will do for the long term, so they will observe the price from here. So that is what is going to happen. And then you can see here, you can see a clear tail of last week, this one, this tail. So this tail have low volume. So we will get maximum the rejections from here. So we can take it as a reference for this as of now. So 24,000 to 23,986, almost 50 points, this area. So this zone will act as a strong support in our normal terms. Okay. So this is what as of now I have analyzed. So maybe if is there anything to reset or anything to tell the riser concern, riser points or whatever it is, you can tell me. The value is trading at low, and then we will go and review the OA as well. The OA where it is huge, and then the developments where it is happening. The development, of course, is happening in 24,100 and 24,050. Also, there is a development, and 24,000 have put is 90 lakhs, and call is 59 lakhs. Around 60 lakhs is there. And let's wait for some time because this area is fighting well. And I'm not trading as of now in these situations. Like this is kind of in between situations on the levels. So I don't want to trade in between on the levels. So wherever if it is comes the levels, so where there we can able to trade properly. And I think if a market is comes to 24,000, we could able to try something there, that locations, how it is going to perform, everything we'll see, and based on that we can able to do it. The way the market is making kind of a doji setup, I think if you're going with candles, doji setup is happening, right? It's very short, 50 points. It will reach here. It will reach here, and then it can able to show the proper informations what we wanted. Because the OA also shows the same OA chart. Let me show you the OA chart. See, can you see one thing here, 24,100, and then you can see this little rise up on 24,050. If it is rising more, then it will be the good one. So the market is trying to go upside like we can able to see. So let's wait and watch. See, 24,200, only the intraday players have left from this, but the permanent players are still here. You can see this one. It's come to 24,050 below, near 61. Yes. Ah, okay. Not seen anything. Yeah. Deepa ma'am, good morning. I just saw your message. Sorry. I think today is going to be a volatile market. That is what I'm expecting. Let's wait and watch how it is going to be. And weekly nuances also says the same location, and even we can find out with the volumes. So what I'm doing here exactly, I'm looking into time. These all are time based tick, this one, and then these are the volume, price, everything are there in the same location. So we don't wanted to go and find anything in different location. So that is what I'm doing right now. So it's giving a push to downside. It will come to the area, and we will find the informations in the market what we have and what we need exactly. So 24,100 the call it has been crossed almost both are same 20, 81 lakhs and 84 lakhs and like 21 24,100. So just now it's almost unequal, but the call options has been developed well in that location. So that's why the this much fall. I think the buyers are little hesitant to buy on levels. Wait for some time. Like we are traders, so the POC has been shifted here. You can see the POC is here. The market stays here. So let's wait and watch this level in order flow. I think that today first 5 minutes candle has been crossed. It has been kept this place. So we will find some seller exhaustion in this place. So then we will try to trade on that location. So clearly it shows like it will come to our zone. So we don't want it to go anywhere. We'll wait. It just opened. It went and hit the yesterday's low and it came back to almost now 100 points. I think 100 points has come down. 150 points almost. So you can see this here and this one and this place is looks more good one. Let's wait and watch and go and check. The POC has been shifted here. The buyers started to come in this location and we can check OA as of now the situation how it has happened in the 24,000, how the people getting accumulated over there. Okay, so we'll follow simple method, yesterday's method. So what we did yesterday, and we are going to draw a line here. We are going to draw a line here. So okay, no problem. 24,100 call options is in the line. So we'll just draw a line here. So we'll just lock it, and then we are going to move according to the our this thing. So here it is. Okay, so 24,000 is our baseline. So 24,000, how it is going to react, we'll see. So you can see here nearest strike price is almost 24,100. Call options is high. If you are somewhere you wanted to enter somewhere here 24,000, you can wait still this location. So this is what our plan as of now. You wouldn't able to see the drawing. I think I think this one you can see. One line I have drawn there. I think you might have seen or not. I don't know. I can able to little increase the size. Yeah, now you can see this one. So this is a blue line. So what I did exactly, this is 24,000. 24,000 is my baseline. So I'm setting up this location. If it is comes, I need to see the absorption and then like kind of exertion I need to see. Seller exertion should be here. So then only I can able to find some areas. And it should come if I'm right, I think it should come day high also today. Let's see how it is going to happen. Because actually, yes, ma'am, you are right. Actually, the news is giving a very negative part of it, but I think the news-based traders are there for a short term. It's pulling down again. Let's wait and watch the same location. And POC has been shifted in this location and this location also. That means the buyers wanted to hold. That means that the this is seller absorption is happening in this location. So let's wait for some time. Maybe this candle close. Then after we can try something. Exactly, it came to our level. Exactly, it came to our level. And here is the low volume, and the low volumes are entire zone. It's a low volume area. Then based on the OA, so we will do our research. So almost 150 points the people have got it as of now. So if it is breaks and down these levels, then we can see the market in 23,800, 850, that range. But this 24,000, many people don't want it to break. So that is what the market is now. It's thinking of it, either should break or not. So as I told you, buyers are getting entered in this. This candle we will watch for some time. And this area itself, we need to take care of it completely, not based on single candle. It's not going to helpful. So what we need to do, we have to wait maybe another one or two candles. So based on that, what it is exactly happening in this location, because the OAs shows something different. For me, like OAs shows something different. I can show you this. Like what's happening exactly. So see, 24,100 call options is high, I know, but you can see this 24,050, still it's down actually. Like before was call options was higher, but now 24,050 is becomes like call options is more. Before put options was more, now call options is more. So it's almost from 2 lakh to today, the people have accumulated almost 34 lakh. So here as well. So here you can see the either instead of put, the call has been accumulated more. Like put OA change today was 17 lakhs. Call OA change is 37 lakhs. So almost double the people have accumulated here, and the positions also not built up in these locations. So that means shows the market exactly in the negative side. So let's watch sometime. So I'm not into the upside trade till now, like any kind of trade. So I will watch this location how the absorption is happening. And I told you earlier, this location only I'm seeing the balance. So it should come to this place to fill these columns. So that is what my expectation as of now. Let's wait and watch. The OA reading actually it's giving an um, the separate edge to trade properly and for waiting and then because the position building it will take time for the people who the big money people they need a time to build the positions on that locations, right? So we cannot able to just like trade and go. And even if you see that 24,100, it's almost developed very well. From 80 lakhs to it came to 72 lakhs, the put option. From 87 lakhs to it went to 1 crore. So how you see the call options has been developed? 24,100 I mean. So wait for some time in this location. If either it wanted to break, then we can try for something. If it is stays in this location, so like this it has to build. So if it is built in this way, then I would have in the market. So this place is for me a edge. This location. So in trading like Telegram channels and all, the market will break or stay or support or bounce. Many messages are there actually. Many messages. Defending 24,000 looks weak now. Yes, ma'am. It's weak now. So because why chart it's clearly says that because the developments is not there. That is what I wanted to tell. If a development is there, of course I'm in. So development is not there in previous strikes prices and all. You see here the open interest very clearly. So where the people at least need a time. It's not even moving. It's not even moving. See this. This 24,000 call strike, it's not even moving. So let's move to 24,000 multi-OA call strikes and we will refer to that. And I think this group we need to delete and we need to add because this was 21st call options. So this all we don't need. So we need to select the strikes. So we will go to strike prices and add 24,000. So 24,000 call and put will try now. So where it is exactly, it's going to cross or not. See the intraday. See the intraday, call how it is developed. And put a remaining stays in the same location. So this means very clearly shows that the market wanted to break 24,000. See, I can show you from this is vertical line which I'm using now. Let's see because the call options here developed 43 lakhs and here also the 24,100 call options very strong 1.1 crores. and here 98 lakhs and 93 lakhs. It's not so far, only 5 lakhs. Maybe in couple of minutes it will get accumulated this location. And in downside I could able to see 24,900 put options is more, but here if it is 24,000 is breaks many people, the psychology levels it will get break, and then the chances of selling is more. So that's what is happening now. So market is taking just a pause in this location. So to test the people psychology, so what they are in exactly. But as per the OA chart, the accumulation is happened. I feel it goes down. Let's wait. We don't know like how it is going to perform for the short term. Market is down, call options is up, and put options also giving good fight. And especially in OA of 24,100 and call and put is huge difference, almost 1.1 crore, and then the put options is 73 lakhs. We don't know buyer psychologies, so buyers where they will come exactly. Let's find it out. 24,050, 24,050. The call options is getting increasing. So everyone is looking the 24,000 it will break or not. So the zone which we marked, it says still stays in the same location. Of course, we'll wait for some time. It's not big deal. So this location is how it is preparing to defend or break. So always I used to say that waiting is the key for success. So 24,000 put option and call option, it's not so far. Like 24,000 call options is 94 lakhs and put options is near 1 crore. So how the people are defending. So we wanted to see exactly in the same place. And in order flow chart, while we see that not much sellers, the sellers are very few. But still, the OA data is not giving the right way because it's not showing any upside momentum. That's what, because the put accumulations was very less, and then you can see in 24,200 the people have been left the permanently who all are accumulated last 1 week. For this week they have accumulated, they have left already. You can see put OA change in negative 2.97 lakhs is almost in negative. So they, where they are accumulating the positions, maybe they were sell some positions and they are accumulating in 24,000. So that too was question, because the put OA change in 24,000, it's just 26 lakhs from morning. Almost last half an hour I could able to say just 26 lakhs. But in call OA change in 24,000 was almost 50 lakhs. It's a twice. And even you go with um, 24,050, it's almost twice. And even you go with 24,100 put options OA and it is twice. And even 24,150, it's twice, almost triple time, because 24,150 the call options was morning was, I think the put option was 4 lakh only, but call options is almost 33 lakhs the OA changed by today. So let's wait, they are breaking this level or not. We can see in some more minutes, I think we can see. And you can see in this particular selling candle, there is no sellers. Only the buyers are accumulating in this position, because of it comes to 24,000. Let's wait if they are right or wrong, or we are wrong or right. It's not about the right and wrong. The directions what we are predicting. I know this is kind of a flip, either upside, either downside, or either in the same location. And of course, this 5 minutes candles also has been closed and looks like a small doji. And I think the 24,000 the accumulations is happening. The first A period has been finished, And B period, of course, it's very near in this location. So this is OTD, open test drive. So that is what OTD. Still we have 20 minutes time. So 20 minutes time means the market can, any side can go. So what's the directions? We can see multi-OA strike, 24,000 and 24,000 put options and call options both are running behind of it. Like I could able to say this chart view. You can see this, the channel how it is built. Proper from this location 93 lakh, 83 lakh, 98 lakh, 92 lakh, and if you come here 1 crore and 96, if you come here 1 crore and 1 crore both. So I think buyers giving good fight in this location. That's what I feel. Let's wait. Well, let's wait. Actually, the how much they're giving a fight, that much is strong enough for the trend to break or go up. And you can see here the buyers accumulation. The buyers 293, 151, 153 lots, and 115 lots. Come on, guys, see this 24,000 OA. It's almost very near 1 crore and 1.05. Just 1 crore and 1.05. The put and call options is fighting in this location. So NSC option chain, what it is happening there. Let me show my layout and what is there happening. And put become a little weaker in 24,000. Earlier was 1.06 crore, now it is came to 1.05 crores, and this was overall market. It's not an intraday. It's overall market. So as we decide, as we discussed earlier, it's giving a good fight. You can see this location. It's almost equal. The call people they're accumulating the positions very fast. This location also on here. You can see entire market. We were somewhere here 24,200 while market was opening, and it came to 24,000, and even it's trying to break this level. And some like you can see some minus 3.64 lakhs input OE change today. The strike. The people went up from this strike and they were accumulated somewhere here, and there is no accumulation is happening here. They wanted to break this level, and put options there is no accumulation here. Don't know where it is going to stop. Let's wait for it because we may be wrong. The market can give in other directions also. So the data reading is perfect as of now. So let's see. So I told you my next references where it is. Here is my next references. So 23,900 somewhere. So it will come and stop in these locations. So this was my exactly to the locations of uh, kind of a balance I could able to say. This area is little the weaker in the volume, but if this areas also get filled, this will be the strongest like kind of balanced area. I think sellers slowly accumulated the positions. I think they'll bring it down. So we can see the crossover here already. It's happened. 24,000 call and put options. 1 crore, 1 crore 07 and call options and put options is 1 crore 06 lakh. 1 crore 6 lakh. Let's see, the levels are like struggling like anything. The buyers accumulating the positions. I think you could unable to see my chart, right? Yeah, this one. Levels are defending well. Let's see this one. So 24,023 and 23,986. Let's wait for some time. And OA data. What is says OA data? So it's giving a very good pause in this location. It's where it is going to break. So what is price action it says. What is price action? Price action it says here. Let's see the channel is breaking or not. It's going up. Well, the accumulation is done. Because the data is something different and market is acting something different. Let's see. So it's a very good move upside. Well, accumulation happened here. Buyers, 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 full of buyers. Could be a trap, maybe. The people are defending 24,000 exactly. The same level has come 24,000. It's hit. See this. Let's see. See here. 24,000 exactly it came and it went back. Let's see, because I think it could be a trap. I don't know, but I may be wrong. I see I'm seeing the data here exactly, the levels. It should give the down move because 24,050 and 24,100 and 24,200. So this was the huge accumulations has been happened here. All four, if you see last five strike prices, still it's defending the position. 24,000 means it's very strong because it's a psychological level, of course. All the peoples are following with the same, but it could be a trap move. Maybe before moving the strong move on the downside, it could be a trap. Can see 24,000 defending the levels. They are 37 lakhs now, but still the call, they are 62 lakhs. And multi-way strike. Let's take multi-way strike. Group 2, the group 2, which is we are 1.1 crore, the put 1.14 crore, and the call options is 1.1 crore. So it's steady now. Let's see. So 24,000 they're defending or not. So that is what now we need to check. Call 24,000 call, they are very good rising happening here. Again, it came to the same level, 24,000. Let's wait. So what they are seeing it. This might be trap actually. So because it's just a one tap and it came down again. even though the calls also not leaving the positions. They wanted to they wanted to keep down for these people. I think so. Very well fight is happening in that 24,000 levels. See this, the call and put. The accumulation is happening very fast. So what we predicted, so that's happened now. So exactly, it was a trap. Exactly, it was a trap. So data reading was very important. So even if it is wrong also, I was happy because the data reading was very well perfect for us. So it was stand for the location. So that is what I feel today. Yeah, it's done. So it's exactly, it has been broken as per the data. So whatever the data we followed, I think it's a help today. Of course, it's since it will be going down, and whatever it is, the next levels, I have already mentioned you that. So where exactly we wanted to read the data and then sit together. So I think this was the balanced area till I'm telling you. So this was the balanced area. So even I can start from here. So this area market exactly it's coming here. So let's see maybe till it can come to 23,900. So that's a possible locations which I'm telling now. So let's wait and watch for some time. Maybe we could able to do. The C period has given very good expansion here. So what it's happened exactly, it's came to hop back. It's not even crossed a hop back. It's still now it's on a one time frame is happening here. So whenever the one time frame is there, so it will continue maybe in a D or sometime it will be like struggle somewhere here and it can go. So this is what today all about. Like we'll see you tomorrow and thanks for watching. And may it will be useful. You can able to comment or whatever it is, no problem. Thank you so much for watching the live. So tomorrow once again we'll see on 9:30, maybe earlier 9:20. I will try to connect, and because we were little late because the first A period we couldn't able to capture, but I think tomorrow we'll try to connect little early and then we can able to see. So this is what the levels which is working now. Thank you so much. I just finished my trade, so I could able to. I think I can reveal now, right? I think I can reveal now. So what I did, my first trade was there. My first trade, actually, I had taken somewhere my first trade here. It's supposed to break and it go up, but it came and hit my stop loss. Then again, I entered somewhere in 191, I think so, 191. It went to 236. I exited around 230 near somewhere. So that's what I did just before. And the data, one second, I'll just show you my OA chart and then the market profile chart. The OA chart is clearly says it's downside directions. So here the intraday OA is whatever that happened, which I was mentioned in early in the morning, 24,000, it should break and there is no development on this location. If there is a development, so then market can push up. If in 24,000 is there is a development, it can hold at least this level. Otherwise, I think again it could fall up to the level what I have mentioned here, the balanced area. So here can come and stand this location. So this is what my expectation today. Let's wait for some time. What's going to be happened? So we will get to know in a hour. That's it. Okay. Thanks for